All right, time for the grand opening. Just did the top end at 155 hours, 2018 or 2018 cross trainer. Deleted the thermostat, repacked the silencer. It was way rich. Just dropped the needle, put the needle back to 3. It was on 4 JD kit. Let's see, this 2.9 tank just fit. It's putting a little bit of pressure on the moto hose. Little tip moto hose. It seems really durable. It's not even grinding into the silicone like it does on my Yamaha on the Tusk. The Tusk ones grinded up like cheese in a grinder. Moto hose from eBay seemed pretty tough. I'm nervous as hell about firing this thing up. Never did a top end before, so let's see what happens. I guess it worked. I'm one happy motherfucker.